Morning and namaskar to everyone. My name is Prajwal Ayer from grade 7A2. Today I am going to present today's news. Starting with national news, Indian Army Chief General Dhiraj Seth was awarded the honorary rank of General of Nepal Army by President Ramchandra Paul. In Kathmandu, international news, countries continue diplomatic efforts to address conflicts and improve peace and security around the world. In sports news, Nepal's cricket team is prepared for upcoming international competition with Sandeep Chane returning as captain. The weather forecast for Kathmandu indicates generally cloudy monsoon conditions with probability of rain. For the word of the day is pneumonontomicroscopic silicovolcanic. The spelling of this word is PNEUMO. NOELTRMICRSUPIC BOLCANOCONIOSIS. Its meaning is a lung disease caused by breathing in extremely fine dust particles, and the thought of the day is success is not final, failure is not futile. What matters is having the courage to keep going on. Thank you.